Hi Ansh, we're back. We're back with another review, is it? Yes, it's called BABO'S Kitchen.
BABO'S home.
Home kitchen, yes. Thank you Ansh for pointing that out. So this is by a home chef and this has been sent to me. So we are very excited. Let's try and find out what all is there. Okay Ansh, will you like to tell me what is all there? Oh.
This.
Oh, this is a raita. So, okay, and this. So everything has got complimentary written on it. It would have been nicer if the stuff was written on top. So we'll have to open all these dabbas and understand it. But before that, let me just talk a little bit about BABO'S home kitchen. So it's basically run by one person, as I understand. His name is Mr. Diye Majumdar, if I'm not wrong. I'm very bad with names, so I might be wrong. Yeah, so there is a biryani here, as Ansh is rightly pointing out. I think it will be... okay. So there you go, the biryani.
It looks like Uncle Roger's egg fried rice.
Okay. So there is the Kolkata style mutton biryani. And the rest, I'm gonna just open up the packet and get back to you. So here we are. Now let's open up the biryani.
I don't know.
So the smell seems good. Let's see what all the rest of the stuff are going to be. What is this? What do you think? Oh, Aloo Dum. Okay, so this must be Hing, Diye, Aloo Dum. Okay. The biryani smell is really nice. Alright, so this is... Can you just keep it down there? Just keep it somewhere so that I can focus. Thank you. Here you go. This, I think, is Chingri Jhaal. Alright, and that would be raita. So
I hate raita.
let's do some taste testing. Right, so let's try and take out some. Okay, the smell is really good, guys. But the rice seems a little stuck to each other. But never mind. The main important thing is to do a taste test. Oh, and that is a quintessentially important ingredient of any mutton biryani. 1 piece mutton, 1 piece aloo, and 1 piece fried egg. That's what makes it a Kolkata mutton biryani. Yum. Alright, let's see how nicely the mutton breaks. It is breaking so good. It's nice and soft. Oh, yeah, it seems juicy. Oh, my mouth is already watering. You know, guys, good food gives me this kind of, Oh, you're giving it to me. Really nice. Okay, let's try this also. Oh, sorry, I'm just chewing. That's the Aloo Dum. Hing Diye Aloo Dum, not just normal Aloo Dum. And this right here is the Chingri Mach. I think it is a Golda Chingri. This, I think, is Chingri Mach. So let's try. Let's try the Chingri Mach. Breaks very easily. If I only... there. Chingri Mach is cooked very nicely. It's definitely not overcooked, which I like. But this is Chingri Jhaal, which is made with a lot of spices and everything. I assumed Chingri Jhaal would be made with mustard, which this isn't. But then every family has a different way of making their dishes. So yeah, this is really nice. This is the aloo. Can you just give, maybe, yeah. This is the aloo. Let's see. Lightly spiced. Nice, slightly meetha taste. I to liked it. I'm sure you would also. And this biryani came with this raita. So let me try. Generally, I have never had raita along with Kolkata style biryani. Raita is more Hyderabadi, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so let me know what is your choice. But yeah, otherwise biryani seems a little dry to me. So with the raita, it really makes sense. So as I was not sent the bill for these items, I have no idea how much they cost. But in the menu, I saw this to be 600 bucks. I have no idea how many pieces are there right now, but I have seen one piece aloo and one piece egg already, and one mutton pieces. But I'll have to check if there is more inside. I think there is one more. Oh no, not too sure. Yeah, what is this? This is another piece, na? Yeah. So there are two pieces of mutton. The rice could be a little more fluffier, but yeah, the taste is good. It's very lightly spiced. This had 4 pieces of chingri. This is the Chingri Jhaal, which is priced at 500. I do find it a little expensive, but then from a home kitchen, I think it is worth trying them, because considering the products they buy would be fresher, and they have to get it done, and they have to get those products from a normal market. And this is priced at 150 bucks. So I hope you've got a good idea. If you liked spending time with us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video, and let us know in a comment below what next video would you like us to do. Cheers!